it brought in the concept of flexibility in today's world. Students could study at their own convenience. Okay, let's look at the example all over again. Number one, the first level of institutes, which are the brick and mortar institutes, they had this classroom format. It said that students have to come in at a particular time. They have to be present while the teacher is teaching. What if I am not well that day? I missed out that lecture, possibly missed out on that concept, made me a poorer manager. There is no way I can rewind that lecture and hear it all over again. All that I can do is depend on a few of the notes written by one of my fellow classmates. The online education with IMI brought in the concept where the student would see the lecture at his own sweet time, at the place of his convenience, and as many times as he wants. So, if I want to see a lecture multiple times, I will just rewind and play it all over again. Last but not the least, these physical institutes had one more advantage. They had these professors who teach the students. So, there's this institute called Institute ABC who has professors for all the subjects. So, Mr. X teaches something, Mr. Y teaches something, Mr. Z teaches something else. But then, as we are all aware that all the professors of the institute cannot be good. Today's problem is to find good faculties in this country. You cannot have best of professors for all the subjects. Very, very difficult to do that. So what happens? Few of the subjects are very well taught. The professors are geniuses. Few of the subjects are moderately taught because the professors are mediocres. And few of the subjects are poorly taught. But that's what they're supposed to be like. IMI brought in the advantages. What IMI did is it went across this country trying to find out the best of professors in each one of the subjects available at any point of this country, at any corner of this country. Went to them, brought them to our studios and recorded their lectures. Recorded their videos, recorded their audios, took their notes, took their presentations, ultimately wanted to ensure that we have the world-class content. So what happens? If as a student, you log into this learning management system, which with a lot of love we call it an NGP, Next Generation Portal. So once you log into the NGP, against each one of the subjects, the student gets option to hear the same lecture from multiple professors. So if I like, I hear Professor A. If I want to hear more, I hear Professor B talking about the same subject, or else I hear Professor C talking about the same subject. I'm sure you all understand that understanding of the student about this particular subject